Have you ever wanted to build your own 3D world but thought it was way too complicated? Well, not anymore. With our platform, you can generate any 3D model in seconds and build your dream world easily. Our image to 3D feature is absolutely insane. Just upload any picture, and it will turn it into a fully usable 3D model automatically. With the texture feature, you can also change the look of your model with just a single tap. If you want to see more amazing 3D tools and tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know what you're going to create first in the comments below.